Learn English with Jenny. Please like, share and subscribe for more content.
Hey, Sarah. How was your weekend?
Hi, Sam. It was great. I went hiking with my friends.
That sounds fun. Did you go to any interesting places?
Yes, we went to a nearby national park. The scenery was breathtaking.
Did you take any photos?
Of course. I took lots of pictures.
I bet they turned out amazing.
Yeah, I can show them to you later if you want.
That would be awesome. By the way, did you watch the new movie that came out last week?
No, I didn't get a chance to see it. Did you?
Yeah, I went to see it with my brother. It was really good.
What was it about?
It was a sci-fi movie about time travel.
Sounds interesting. I'll have to watch it sometime.
Definitely. We should go together next time.
I'd like that. Oh, speaking of movies, did you ever finish watching that series we talked about?
Yeah, I finished it last night. It had a surprising ending.
Really? Now I'm curious. Maybe I should start watching it too.
You definitely should. It's worth it.
Thanks for the recommendation. Oh, I almost forgot to ask, how was your family reunion last weekend?
It was fantastic. It was great seeing all my relatives again.
Did you do anything special?
We had a big barbecue in the backyard and played games.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was a blast. How about you? Did you visit your grandparents like you planned?
Yes, I did. We spent the whole day together. They're always so happy to see me.
Grandparents are the best, aren't they?
They really are. I cherish every moment I spend with them.
Did you help them with anything around the house?
Yeah, I helped my grandma with gardening, and my grandpa with fixing some things.
That's really nice of you. I'm sure they appreciated your help.
Yeah, they did. It left good to spend quality time with them.
Hey, did you hear about Sarah's new job?
No, I didn't. What is she doing now?
She got hired as a graphic designer at that big company downtown.
That's amazing news. She must be thrilled.
Yeah, she's over the moon about it. She starts next Monday.
I'll have to send her a congratulatory message.
I'm sure she'd appreciate that. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you, I saw your favorite band in concert last night.
No way. How was it?
It was incredible. They played all their classic hits.
I'm so jealous. I've always wanted to see them live.
They're going on tour again next year. We should go together.
I'd love that. Thanks for thinking of me.
Any time. Oh, did you finish reading that book you borrowed from me?
Yes, I did. It was such a page-turner.
I told you it was good. What did you think of the ending?
It was unexpected, but it tied up all the loose ends nicely.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. I have another book you might like.
Really? I'd love to borrow it.
It's a mystery novel by your favorite author.
That sounds perfect. Thanks, Sam.
No problem. Oh, I forgot to ask, did you get your car fixed?
Yes, I did. It was just a minor issue with the engine.
That's a relief. I'm glad it wasn't anything serious.
Yeah, me too. Thanks for offering to help me with it.
Of course. I'm always here to lend a hand.
You're the best, Sam.
Thanks, Sarah. Hey, did you try that new restaurant that opened downtown?
Yes, I did. The food was delicious.
What did you order?
I had their signature pasta dish. It was mouth-watering.
I'll have to check it out sometime.
You should. I'll come with you if you want.
That would be great. Thanks, Sarah.
No problem, Sam. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you, I went shopping yesterday and bought a new dress.
Really? I can't wait to see it.
I'll wear it when we go out for dinner next time.
I'm looking forward to it.
Hey, did you see the news about the new park they're building in our neighborhood?
Yeah, I saw the article online. It looks like it's going to be amazing.
I can't wait for it to open. It'll be a great place to relax and unwind.
Yeah, we'll have to go for a picnic there when it's ready.
I'd love that. It'll be so much fun.
Hey, did you hear about Mark's trip to Europe?
No, I didn't. What's he doing there?
He's traveling around Europe for a month. He's visiting all the famous landmarks.
That sounds like a dream vacation.
Yeah, he's having the time of his life. I'm happy for him.
Me too. He deserves it after all the hard work he's been putting in.
Hey, did you watch the game last night?
Yes, I did. It was so intense.
Yeah, I was on the edge of my seat the whole time.
I'm glad our team won in the end.
Me too. They played really well.
Hey, did you see that funny video I sent you?
Yeah, I watched it last night. It cracked me up.
I know you'd like it. It always makes me laugh.
Thanks for sharing it with me.
Anytime, Sam. Oh, by the way, did you finish your project for work?
Yes, I did. I submitted it yesterday.
That's great news. I'm sure it turned out amazing.
I put a lot of effort into it. I hope my boss likes it.
I'm sure they will. You always do great work.
Thanks, Sarah. Hey, did you hear about the new cafe that opened up on Main Street?
Yes, I did. I went there for lunch yesterday.
How was it?
It was fantastic. They have the best coffee and pastries.
I'll have to check it out sometime.
You should. I'll come with you if you want.
That would be great. Thanks, Sarah.
No problem, Sam. Oh, I almost forgot to ask, did you finish watching that series we started last week?
Yes, I did. The ending was so unexpected.
I know, right? It kept me on the edge of my seat the whole time.
Yeah, I couldn't stop watching until I know how it ended.
I am glad you liked it. We should find another series to watch together.
I'd like that. It's always more fun watching with you.
Hey, did you go to the concert last night?
Yes, I did. It was amazing.
I'm so jealous. I've always wanted to see that band live.
They're going on tour again next year. We should go together.
I'd love that. Thanks for thinking of me.
Anytime, Sarah. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I saw your favorite actor at the mall yesterday.
No way. What was he doing there?
He was promoting his new movie. I got his autograph for you.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. That's so thoughtful of you.
Anything for you, Sarah. Hey, did you hear about the new ATR exhibit Downtime?
Yes, I did. I went there last weekend.
How was it?
It was incredible. They had some amazing pieces on display.
I'll have to check it out sometime.
You should. I'll come with you if you want.
That would be great. Thanks, Sarah.
No problem, Sam. Hey, did you see the new superhero movie that came out last week?
Yes, I did. It was action-packed.
I'm glad you liked it. I've heard good things about it.
Yeah, it lived up to the hype. We should go see it together sometime.
I'd love that. Thanks for inviting me. Well done following our English class today. You did very well to listen and learn so much. Your support helps us to make more quality content for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comments for more lessons. Thank you.